how are you? This is your girl J Baby and welcome back to my channel. Okay, today's video is going to be on Eullair's. I think it's Eullair, Eullair, and it is a Brazilian deep wave lace front wig, and it's 150% density, and I think I got the length 24. So this is how it's pronounced. I'm hoping I'm saying it right. Eullair, off of AliExpress. The packaging, I really like this dusting bag for it. It comes like this. She gives you a pair of lashes with it, and I have not tried it on it at all. So this is what she looks like. And it has on here, hair in your hair. Hair. That's what it says, hair in your hair. And then it also has like the care instructions on the back. So she comes like this. Okay, she's a lace front, and I actually went on and tied the elastic bands in the back, well, the adjustable strap. I'm gonna use that like as an elastic band in the back. So this is your parting space right here. I think the color is really natural. It's a pre-plucked. Yeah, it's pre-plucked for you, and it has baby hairs. So I'm gonna be trying her on. She has a comb in the top area. She has a comb on the side here and on the side here by the ear, and she also has one by the nape. There is no lace or anything like that in the back, so I'm gonna go ahead on and, oh, she's pretty. I'm gonna go ahead on and shut up and let you guys watch me install this beautiful wig.
Let go. Yeah. Don't know. Oh yeah.
It's the original Batman.
One time. It's a bad man thing. It's body, baby. VQs. Let go. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can.
Standard.
Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Tell them I'm the realest, then they feel me. Kill him on the rhythm, then they feel me. I'm always all about my business. I got my business, I will never ever finish. She know be one to test in my style. Say she wanna throw the dice, body looking nice. From my hips down to her thighs. Then I look her in her eyes. One time, say she know on this time. Bad man, me not give her one time, night time. Say she want me for lifetime. Bad man, me not give her the pipeline. Enter the place, they be feeling her body. Swinging and moving and killing her body. She ain't got nothing to prove. She ain't got nothing to lose. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I want to meet you.
Okay, ladies, we have reached the end of the video, and I hope that you enjoyed my install of the Eullair. I think it's Eullair's hair, and this is 150% density. It's really full, really nice. It can get bigger than that, but I am really satisfied with the way they look right now. I think that this hair is like really nice. The install was really easy for me. Lace fronts, I'm like really learning them a whole lot. I don't really like lace fronts, but I mean, to each his own. I'm a closure girl, you know, but that's the reason why you always see me have my hair down. But I thought maybe that I would get away from some of the baby hairs. Now, I love the baby hairs, but I thought maybe I would get away from them. So, I think that this is a very nice style for the going back to school.
I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane.
Yes. Okay, so this is the length 24, and y'all know that when the hair is deep wave, the length comes from when you pull it. Other than that, you don't get the length like that, honey. I wish you did though. But all the products that I use, I will go ahead and announce them now because I don't want to put them in the description bar just in case you want to ask. This is the Professional Sebastian Shaper. It's a hold and control hairspray. Okay, I also used Proclaim Olive Edge Gel, and that's for my top area too, you know, before I straightened it. Of course, we use a straightening comb. This is a small one. I have a bigger one, but I love my smaller one better. I use also the, y'all already know, got to be glued free spray. This is what I use. I think that's all I use also. To put my part in, I went on and used the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, and it is in the light to medium. I used both of them right here, and y'all see I didn't hit pan. I didn't use these two minus the highlight, and I'm dropping this all in my lap. So basically that's all I used, and of course, no, I didn't use the Got to Be gel, but that's all I use, guys, and that's all you need. This hair is really nice and soft and fluffy. I will put the links of everything that you need down below, which is this hair, but also this company Eullair hair has other hair that you can be able to purchase on AliExpress. So, you know, like J Baby always says, be blessed and not stressed. And J Baby is signing off.